How to loop YouTube videos on mobile YouTube app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to loop a YouTube video on your mobile device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply play the video that you want to loop. Now tap on the video to bring up the controls. Now, once you have opened it, simply tap on the gear icon and after that a pop-up menu will appear. From that, simply tap on additional settings and after that tap on loop video to enable it. And once selected, the video will play on repeat automatically. And that's how you can loop a YouTube video on mobile. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.